Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the SCAR rifle as a gingerbread. And I have this sketched out already, so let's get right to it with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the full body first. We're going to start drawing the bottom line first. So we'll just draw in. You can make this a little wavy since it's supposed to be kind of cookie dough, right? So it doesn't have to be so straight. So once you have this bottom line, I'm going to curve it and just go up. And then on this side, we'll curve it, but just stop a little bit short. So it's gonna be a lot shorter on the back here. Okay, so once you have this little hook right here, continue this. We're gonna go all the way up. Just curve it up. Come across. Just round everything off. Alright, so that's the main body, and now let's draw in the magazine on the bottom. So right here, if you come to about the midpoint, just draw one curve coming down like this, and then come across. Just draw almost the same curve but a lot shorter, and then we'll just round this off. And let's add in some details right here on the magazine. So this could be some icing. Curve it down, wavy line, and then just give it some thickness. And then I'm gonna draw one more. Okay, and so let's continue back and let's finish up the trigger and the grip. So right here, just gonna draw one curve first. And then once you have this one, come to the outside and draw one more. And then for the trigger itself, I'm just gonna draw one little curve coming down. And then now for the grip, start here, come down, come up here, here's the back side of the grip, just kind of flare out, and then on the bottom, just round it off. And let's add some details inside, so I'm just gonna draw in another curve pretty much the same as the one on the outside. Okay, so that's the bottom, and let's just go ahead and finish up the back. To start right on the end here, just curve out, and then just round this part off. And then we'll go out one more. And then on this part, just kind of draw like a wavy line all the way across, just close everything off. Alright, so now let's draw in the front, the barrel. So right in the middle here, slightly lower, just gonna draw kind of like a rounded square. And then from this point here, you can make two little points, and then we'll just go straight out. So we'll flare this out a little bit. On the front, we'll round it out. And then in here, just add in two little tubes like this for details on the barrel. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the shape of the gun, and now let's add in some more details up here. So I can draw in just one little curve, and then for the sight, and then here's the back sight or rear sight. And then there's gonna be some railing. I'm just gonna add in a bunch of little, I guess these could be little jelly beans or something. Okay, and then for the details in here, just gonna draw in a bunch of these little tube shapes. Draw one, two, and then the last one's gonna be a little bit longer. And then on the back here, let's add one more tube. And then right over the grip right here, let's draw one more circle, and let's draw one more in here. And then lastly, one little line here. So right in the center, I'm just gonna come across and let's curve this one down. And then we're gonna continue this, go back, and then just hook it up. Alright, so that is my version of the gingerbread scar. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.